Heartiest congratulations to Vesami Store, Dubai, and its entire team on completing 16 glorious years of style and fashion.
Vasimi is just not any other multi-designer store, but an entire institution in itself for me. While Vasimi was being planned in Dubai, the first of its kind, I was very small part, an indirect part of the same.
Hi, this is Tanu Malhotra. I would like to warmly congratulate Vesami on completing 16 wonderful years in the fashion industry. It's truly been a privilege to be associated with Vesami Dubai. Our journey together has been incredibly rewarding.
On behalf of all of us at Seams Pret & Couture, we truly value our beautiful journey with you over the years and the special bond that we have, the way you handle our clients with such care and professionalism, and also how warmly your entire team works with us.
Platform that Vasimi has offered me while I've been operating locally, I think that's something which is very encouraging. Vasimi has been very supportive of me and my merchandise that I've been curating for them. Especially a person like Ati, I have to give it to you, Ati, that since day one, there's a lot to take away from you, a lot to learn.
Built on strong collaboration and consistent growth. During our recent visit to the Dubai store, we were genuinely impressed by the professionalism, positive energy, and attention to detail.
Vesami has always felt more like family than business, and your name carries immense value, trust, and credibility for brands like ours.
At that time when I was a fresh graduate and it was my first job, it was always the fashion and the aesthetics, because all I had was the theoretical and textbook knowledge from the college. And that was the first step that I took in the right direction, and the reason was a person like you. And today what I have to take away from you is again fitness and aesthetics. आप इतना कुछ कर कैसे लेते हो?
A heartfelt thank you to the entire merchandising and sales team for the constant support and guidance.
Wishing you all the very best for the near future. Thank you.
Wishing Vasimi a very happy 16th anniversary, and I just hope that the number keeps increasing, and I hope that all of us prosper exponentially from here, and there's no looking back. Thank you so much.
We truly value the partnership and look forward to many more successful years together. Thank you so much.